YouTube, you know what it is, you know who it is. When I get 400 horses, I'ma do this, I'ma do that. I'ma do this. When I do this, look at all this heat up here. You got. Alright. If you didn't know, now you know. One, two, three. Way I'm gonna go. Give me your beat. Camaro gang, thank y'all for tuning in. If you didn't know, now you know. What up, YouTube? Y'all know what it is. You know who it is. It's the Ginger 31 to be exact. If you didn't know, now you know. The Ginger finally got the digs in. D Nasty finally got the digs in. I only race little bros because we was just getting, you know, iron sharpening iron or whatever. And everybody seems to call him out all the time. It is what it is. But I'ma call this with, man, Camaros versus the world, because that was all that was going on. So y'all get to that. Y'all watch that. You dig? Hey, YouTube, how y'all like that video? You know what I'm saying? The Ginger finally got the digs in. D Nasty finally got the digs in. We stopped, you know, throwing rolls. We ain't at Lambert's right now. And we went to dig, right? Everybody want to dig because, you know, road racing is for you know who and all of that other stuff. So, hey, it is what it is. So anyway, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know, hey, turn it to the notification game, man. Do all that for me, you know what I'm saying? Because we done went from 1K to 6K, and we steady going up. Next, we going up to 10K. So anyway, anyhow, thank y'all for tuning in. I'm the Ginger 31 to be exact, and I'm out.